Alright, so here's my grain truck, and this is what broke. Here, control arm, and ball joint down here broke, lower control arm, and here is the tie rod. It's not supposed to have a bend that way. So I have a whole new front end, new upper and lower control arms, new shocks, and new inner and outer tie rods. And I'm going to go ahead and replace the whole front end on this on both sides. Here's the other side. Other side still put together because this tire didn't fall off like the other side did. Well, let's get this started. Here's all the parts that I need, all Moog, to make sure I'm not going to be having no more issues. And I got Rough Country shocks and all Moog suspension. Yeah. Alright, I got the passenger side out. There. There's all the old stuff. Spring, old shock, old control arm. Now let's go ahead and get the driver's side out. Alright, I got the driver's side out. I got everything out there. And passenger side is out. So let's go ahead and put some new parts in there. Alright, so it turned out the wheel bearings were not any good. So I went ahead and got some new wheel bearings. Got them put in, now it actually spins. The other one that was in there was not turning. So now it explains why the truck was pulling to the right. Well, now let's go ahead and get the other one put in. I went ahead and put some anti-seize in there because the old ones, when I was taking them out, was not coming out. It was very hard, so I went ahead and put some anti-seize to keep it from rusting up in there like it did last time. Alright, so I got both wheel bearings on. So let's go ahead and get everything else on so we get this back together. Alright, so I got the new upper bushing on top of the spring. That's brand new. I got the new upper control arm and the new lower control arm. I got the spring in. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the spindle in and connect it to the ball joints. Alright, so I got the wheel bearings, the spindle connected with the upper and lower control arms. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in brand new brakes. I got power stop brakes to install, so I'm going to go ahead and put the rotor on and go ahead and change out the pads. And I also got the other side done. Same thing here as well. Got the spindle, wheel bearing, and upper and lower control arms